Finally, we are going to look at the last two determiners in the usage of sentences, less and fewer. Less is used with reference to quantity, fewer with the reference to number. Okay? The huge pumpkin weighed no less than 10 pounds. I cannot buy less than 10 kilos of rice. No fewer than 2 people joined the strike. No fewer than 10 civilians were hurt in the firing. We are looking at less and fewer. Determiners, we are going to look at less, the usage of sentence, and fewer. Less is used with reference to quantity. Less. Less is used with reference. Less is used with reference. Less is used with reference to quantity. Reference to quantity, and fewer is used, and fewer. Is used, fewer is used with reference, with reference with reference to number. Number. Less. When you say less, we are talking about the reference to quantity. Teacher gave me less marks. My sister gave me less chocolate. When you talk about fewer, fewer is used with reference to number. Number. Few, there were few children present today. The number. Okay, so let's look at the sentence we have. The huge pumpkin weighed no less than 10 kg. When you say less, it is used with the reference to quantity. I've got less amount of juice. The quantity. When you talk about fewer, it is used to reference to number. Fewer children. Okay. Now, look at the sentence. The huge pumpkin, let us look at the sentence. The huge pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin weighed the huge pumpkin weighed no less than less, no less. We are talking about the word less. No less than 10 kg. 10 kg. So we are looking at less. I cannot buy less than. I cannot buy. Cannot buy Less than 10 kg rice. Less than. Less. I cannot buy less than 5 kg rice. Kg of rice. We are looking at less. Less means quantity, amount we bought. Next, no fewer than, look at the next sentence. No fewer than, fewer. We are looking at the word fewer. No fewer than 2,000 people joined the strike. No fewer than. Here we are talking about the number. Than 2,000. 2,000. 2,000 people joined the strike. People joined the party or joined the strike. Okay? Next sentence. Again, no fewer than 10 civilians were hurt in the firing. No fewer than. No fewer than. No fewer than 10 civilians were hurt in the firing. Were hurt in the firing. These are the last of the determiners, few and fewer. Few and fewer. Sorry, less and fewer. Less is used in reference to quantity. Less. I cannot buy less than 5 kg rice. She gave me less juice. When you say fewer, it is used to reference to number. The number. No fewer than 2,000 people joined the strike. No fewer than 10 civilians were hurt. So when you say less, we're talking about quantity. Mama gave me less milk this morning. Or my sister gave me less juice last night. So that is less. When you talk about fewer, we are talking about number. I cannot buy. I cannot buy no fewer than 10 kg rice. They only give it in 10 kg. No fewer than 10 civilians. There was a shootout there and not less than 10 people, civilians, died in the shoot. So the number, when you say fewer, number. When you say less, you're talking about either less sweets or less juice or less milk or less water. The man brought a can of water which was less than the normal. Less. When you talk about juices, any liquids, you will say less.